You are new to Sherend. One of the first questions you may have is, what do you set up before you begin working every day in Sherend? CRMs can have dozens of features, settings, lists, automations. That does not mean you need to build everything out immediately. You need a starting structure that supports the conversations already happening in your real estate business. In this video, I'm going to show you the 12 automations KTS recommends that agents begin with, explain what's included in our starter pack that's available in Sherend, and help you understand whether the pack or a more customized setup makes sense for you. KTS has spent years helping real estate agents and teams organize their CRM workflows. That includes deciding how leads should be handled, how new leads should be handled, how long-term prospects should be nurtured, what happens after closing, how agents stay connected with people in their sphere. When we began developing Sherend, we wanted to bring that same workflow into the new platform. And we have now built an automation starter pack in Sherend. It provides essential starting automations we believe that most agents should consider when they just are starting their Sherend account. It's available to active Sherend subscribers in the in their library, their sharing library. So Sherend is a separate CRM subscription, and that's purchased separately from KTS. So what's included in the starter pack? So there are 12 automations. The first 6 handle new lead responses. So new buyer lead email, new buyer lead text, new seller lead email, new seller lead text, new open house buyer email, new open house buyer text. You get the pattern here. The next are long-term nurture. Why don't we take a look in Sherend and I'll show you. Starter pack. So let's look at new seller lead number 1 email template, and we'll look at the text one as well. So there's a subject, your request for a real estate agent from, and that's going to pull in the lead source. And see, these are merge fields. That's going to pull in the contact first name. Hi, Susan. I received your request for a real estate agent from sold.com for your property. And there's the address. I'm curious what prompted your interest to inquire about selling your property. So there is new seller lead. This is email. It's the email template. Now let me show you the text versions. Text templates. And again, if you do the starter pack, you don't need to go into these individual pieces, but the individual pieces have to be available so that they can be part of the automations. So this is the new seller text. Hi, Susan. This is Jessie with Kee Technology Solutions. I received a request, etc., etc. So again, these are merge fields that are going to pull in the lead source and the property address and the required opto. Okay. Each automation includes the first 3 emails or text messages from its related drip. So that gives you 36 written templates in total. The complete pack is installed at once. Remember, if you do this, click on, there we go, this starter pack, and you just install the pack, everything will be assembled and built into your account that way. That's the easiest way to do it. So you won't need to locate the templates and assign them to the automations. So again, from your Sherend account, go to the library, starter packs, and you see the KTS agent automation starter pack and hit install packs. These workflows cover the main communication stages most agents encounter. A new buyer lead needs a different conversation from a seller lead. So that example we looked at is obviously optimized for a seller. An open house lead may need another different type of communication, right, related to the property they visited and their broader buying plans. A long-term nurture contact needs consistent communication without being treated like someone who's ready to move today. Past clients and sphere contacts need a relationship-based approach that continues beyond the transaction. So the starter pack separates these situations so the communication can match the reason the person is in your database. Remember, we had new leads, their buyer, seller, open house. There's a couple examples. We had emails and text. And then we had past client and sphere, a couple different examples of what's part of our broader CRM workflows. We often get asked, can these templates be edited? The templates can be edited inside of Sherend, but we recommend starting with the provided messages before making major changes. Each message was written as part of a sequence, so changing the wording, timing, or call to action can sometimes affect how the rest of the automation will play out for the lead contact. You should always review the content before activating an automation to ensure it matches your business, your market, and your compliance requirements. And additional KTS setup and customization support are available separately and are not included with the starter pack. Another question I hear involves that Claude MCP inside of Sherend. Some people expect Claude to independently run the CRM or decide what should happen next with every contact. The Claude MCP is a tool within your CRM. It's not a replacement for the agent. It can help complete tasks when it receives clear instructions, but it still needs to be established workflows and decisions from the user. The starter pack helps by providing an initial workflow foundation. The agent remains responsible for the relationships, the decision, and the personal follow-up that moves the conversation forward. The MCP connection to Claude cannot take over for an agent reaching out to leads. It can help assist in more medial tasks is the best way to use that tool within your CRM. And the question that I hear the most often is how is SureSend similar to or different from Follow Up Boss? For current Follow Up Boss users, parts of the SureSend interface will feel very familiar, which can make adoption very easy. People tend to notice features that stand out: drip texting, the relationships being separated, contact records, and the general layout of the system. A migration needs to be evaluated carefully. So you want to consider what are your lead sources, integrations you're currently using in Follow Up Boss, team structure, current workflows and automations, and how much data needs to move over. We can go over this in a discovery call that can help you understand these factors before you commit to switch and help you with the timeline of what to switch or what to migrate when. I also get asked, who's a good fit? Am I a good fit? SureSend may be a strong fit for sole agents and small teams that want a structured CRM and do not have someone internally building all of their workflows. Follow Up Boss users may also find the transition easy because of the similarities in the user experience between SureSend and Follow Up Boss. Our existing KTX clients are another natural fit because they already understand the workflow strategy we use. And larger teams are, of course, still a fit, particularly when they do not have a dedicated operations or tech point person on their team managing the CRM. Some agents are interested in SureSend but are not ready to move. They may be waiting for a particular integration, planning around cash flow, or trying to understand how a migration would affect their current business because it's a big project that needs some time and attention. There's nothing wrong with researching before making a decision, and I recommend our clients do just that. A CRM migration touches several parts of your business and should be approached with a clear plan. If you already subscribed to SureSend, I want to show you where you can find the starter pack. So we are in a SureSend account right now, and from this main screen, you'll see this is our menu on the left-hand side. We're going to scroll down till we see library. So I can zoom in even more. There we go. So this was the top right. This is our main screen. I'm scrolling down till I find library. I'm going to click on library. And now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So you're seeing quite a few things on this screen. And let me show you what I want you to pay attention to is this button right here, starter packs. Because you'll notice the email templates and the text templates and the automations are all included in our starter pack, and the individual pieces needed to be available in these sections to be part of the starter pack. But I want you to just ignore that. You can go right here to starter pack. So again, click on the starter pack, and then here we are, KTS Automation Agent Starter Pack. And there's this nice quick install pack button right there. There's going to be 43 items. You'll notice here, this is automation. These are the text that are included in these automations and the emails. So you'll notice that you are going to get 3 of each: nurture seller, nurture buyer, through emails and text. Here's a good right in a row here: new seller lead number 1, new seller lead number 2, new seller lead number 3. So again, you're going to get new seller, new buyer, new open house, email and text, the first 3 communication. Nurture buyer, nurture seller, the first 3 email and text of that. Post-closing and sphere. At the top, there's sphere, nurture, email. And again, let's go through the steps again. So if you are logged right here into your SureSend account, scroll down from the left-hand menu, click library, and just go right to that starter packs button. And there's our KTS one, and then install pack. If you already use SureSend, comment starter, and we will send you the direct information for accessing the pack. If you are considering SureSend, comment starter, and we will send you the link to book a discovery call with me. During that call, we can discuss your current CRM, what you need the platform to support, and whether SureSend is a reasonable fit for your business.